So my mate Sumo here is here. He's got cushcore that we're going to fit to his bike. Reason why we're now running cushcore. This is my old rim, and if we spin round to some areas on it, I don't know how good it's going to show in the camera, but there's a big dent there. See if you can find some more, Sumo.
Yeah.
But it's absolutely taken a pounding. It's buckled there. There's dents all over it. Oh yeah.
There.
Let's see if we can really get that in the shot.
Here we
See how dented that is.
Get this bit here, mate.
So hopefully,
that bit there's hammered there.
Hopefully the cushcore is going to solve all of those. I've fit it in my bike.
Bent outwards there.
Oh god, yeah, that's a bad one, that one. So the amount of money you spend on rims, we don't want this to happen. I'm gutted that I had to replace this rim. But it is what it is. Sumo is learning from my mistake. So we're going to now try and put cushcore in his bike, and it's not a fun job.
We're going to install them without using tools.
Yeah, because again, tried using tools on my bike. Every time we use tools, we tore the tape and it just leaked. So this time,
yeah,
good luck to us.
Yeah, we need it.
So first things first, pop the wheel off. I suppose I need to go and get a bucket. Go on, mate.
Put axle back in there so we don't lose it. Couple of turns.
This is all going to be full of sealant as well. So it's a hideous job to do. That's why I'm in my Christmas t-shirt. Wheel off.
Drop your air pressure.
Stick it on a bucket. Have a slurp of coffee. Wear gloves if it's already got sealant in, because it goes everywhere.
Oh yeah. I've got some in my van.
That's right, we've got loads there. Let's make sure you guys can see. Yep.
Yep, because we don't want the
Cheers, mate.
Care Bear Happy Juice.
As we've aptly named it.
This is my first ever video on myself in it, by the way.
Is it?
Yeah, I've never...
Ah, you guys get to see what Sumo looks like. And I'll tag him in his channel.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, beautiful. So, like we said, it goes everywhere. Just sprayed all up Sumo's arm.
Yeah.
So, do not wear your best clothes.
Flip it to pop bean on the other side.
Yeah. So, put the disc in the middle of the bucket. So there's no pressure. Oh, beautiful.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Do you want me to pull my side up?
Yeah.
Get
on. Take it off with Tyre lever. We'll just put it on with no tools. Sure, that's how we do it.
We stood it up and just popped it off, didn't we?
No.
Did we not?
No. You get it going first, don't we?
Oh, so this is not a no tools installation then.
It's
We've got to
the
take
install,
the tyre off.
the removal of the tyre.
Ah, see, we were wrong.
Yeah.
Hang on, mate, do it over here somewhere. Hang on, mate, do it over here somewhere.
Yeah.
So we're going to start where the valve is. There we go. Look at that. Was there much sealant left? Doesn't. There's quite a bit actually.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's move you guys because we need the box. Move Sumo's coffee over there. I'll let you open your box, mate.
Not even opening them either.
So technically this is now an unboxing as well.
An unveiling. Oh, we're good for it all here, mate. So your first thing to get, obviously at the top, is you get some tubeless ready, tyre valves ready for your cushcore.
Now I think they're a hideous green.
They are.
I don't know anyone that runs these that uses those green valves.
No.
So please, cushcore, give us an colour options.
Yeah. Same for the colour stickers as well.
Yeah.
Because you want to match your bike, don't you?
Okay.
Yeah.
So what we do with those is they go over there.
Yeah. And in here you've got two 29s. My bike's 29 front and rear. So you should have two 29. So that's one.
Let's try and stick this one in then. Let's put you guys down here. Make sure, hang on mate, I'm just going to do this one as well.
Yeah.
Perfect. So we're going to start where the valve is and just try and push it in all the way round. Go on mate, I'll hold this side. And these are incredibly tight.
Believe it or not, this is actually for a 29 as well.
Chasing it.
Yep.
Got it? Got it?
You alright? Yeah, go on, spin.
Okay. Oh, we just lost some. So, I'm going to use my gut to kind of hold it in. Now you can see why we're not wearing our best clothes. Because there we are, we're in. It gets everywhere.
Right. And with these being Peter's Mark II, we've already got the cups in them.
Oh yeah,
ready for.
Let me go and grab those valves. So do not use standard valves. The valves have got to have either a cut in the top, hopefully you can see that, a cut in the top, or like these ones, a hole. Again, they're coloured, so they're horrible. So now you have to work the cushcore to the bottom,
Yeah.
so then we can pop this bead on. So let me just try and move, it's coming in. So I'm pushing the cushcore past the bead. If you ever do these, it'll make sense. So we've got a big gap there. Let's work it all the way around. So now this is the awkward bit. So I've got the valve up my side, so we know we've got plenty of slack down this side. So I'll push it all the way to the middle, all the way around. Should we stand her up now? Yeah. Go on. Tiny. There we go. We're on. No tool installation, but it is a bloody mess. We're on.
Yep. For a removal, man.
You've got to be so careful not to touch the rim tape.
Obviously we're using Continental Crypto Talfoot
Cushcore out.
Let's see. It does actually 29 inch. So as much as we do struggle with it.
Yeah, they are the right ones.
Yeah. These are the cushcore Pros.
Always amazes me that it says extra light.
Where?
It says there, extra light.
But why is it extra light?
Yeah, exactly, yeah. Do they do a non-extra light?
Just on the table, dude.
I know, right? Kirby's come. Jesus. Oop. Nearly there. There we go. My fingers are in it. Yeesh.
You wish it were that tight.
No comment.
Channel's not for kids, by the way.
Let me bring you in there to show you that. So on this side you can see it's sitting in, on this side it's not in enough. So I just need to straighten it out. So now we're going to twist the cushcore over so it gives us enough space to pop this bead in. There we go.
Are we in?
Yeah.
And having a bit of sealant actually does help with a bit of
lubrication
to help you actually get in.
Save spitting on it. Yeah. And now we're going to bend the cushcore out of the way and then try and pop the bead on. The first bit's the worst, isn't it?
Once it gets in, you actually get it seated a bit.
There we go, bending down. Should we stand her up and give it a few goes? Make sure it's pushed into the middle as far as you can. Gives us as much flex as possible while we're trying to pop the bead in. And this really hurts my thumbs doing this.
Yeah.
It's an awful job.
Yeah.
Ready? Come on.
Did we lay it down last time? I think we been round to cassette.
I'll try anything. Within reason.
Come on guys, line up.
I'll try anything. Within reason.
Come on guys, line up.
I'm going to go around and just push the cushcore and the tyre. Make sure it's all sat in the middle. Because if it's not, you're just not going to do it. Come on. There we go. I thought that pushed it off the back edge.
I thought that myself, originally face planting that. And there you go, that's two.
2 tyres, no tools, apart from to remove it.
We'll seat them up.
So just been and pump them up. We use a compressor because it's a swine to set the beads on these. Now we'll give them a quick wipe over.
You can do it without a compressor if you've got a trap pump.
And chuck the other tyre up, I'll start on that one. Cheers. So again, just all this white residue. That's from the sealant, from where we pop the beads and messing around.
You get it before it fully dries, a bit of warm water should come off if you're struggling for bits.
There we go. You got it on your own? So just lining up the disc into the caliper.
Need a bit. Yeah.
Okay. Beautiful. Now the front wheel. I'm going to edit that piece out.
What?
It's got the washing in the background.
Yeah, mate, it's a house it's fucking lived in.
There we go.
Ready for some new ones of them soon, dude.
Again, I don't think you do. Stops using them. And there we go.
Job done, mate.
One cushcore installation. Done. No tools required.
Just a tyre lever, just take the tyre bead off, that's it.
Yeah.
Yeah.